I like this pair right now. I really do like price action to the upside. Another higher low. I really do believe it. I think we may see higher prices. Another area of liquidity. I do believe we may see break above and descending wedge. This right now more than most of the US dollar pairs. That would be the first target. 4-hour descending wedge, collected that liquidity. Again, London, we could get that break above 1.5980. If we get that, there's nothing wrong with entering around where it is now on the pullback on the new candles and also on the 1 hour or bigger bullish move to the upside. Really happy with that trade. I've closed it now because it has reached target. I do believe we may see a bit of a correction for continuation. This could give us another opportunity to buy, to be honest. Look at all this liquidity sitting here. There's just wicks, many wicks, and there's another area of liquidity sitting directly below here as well that we cannot ignore. Now that price has broken out to the upside, I have got two levels of interest that I'm going to be very observant on. A 1 hour time frame, we could be creating a descending wedge too. I guess it could come a little bit lower. I am going to be very patient now because I mean this buy was absolutely beautiful. Like that just made my entire week. Patience to wait for the next trading opportunity. We'll be looking for lower prices, just a little bit more of a correction and enter there. I will be waiting for London at least to see what price does because as we know time and time again, that's where we will get better entries. Looking left, as I mentioned already, there's so much liquidity sitting at that lower level. Making sure you get your stop loss in a safe area. We had a beautiful move again for this pair. We had the earlier week correction and then we had the correction last night that gave us the opportunity to buy again. Yesterday's video, you guys know if you did watch it, you would have seen me talk about both of these levels and exactly what I was waiting for to confirm a buying entry. And look what happened after that. We had a nice bullish wick from this lower level, confirming bullish price action. And then the next 3 4-hour candles, nice and bullish. Price, in fact, did correct again at the level we had already placed. Look at that wick, guys. So we had 2 corrections on both levels that I had marked out yesterday to the pip. There was multiple opportunities to enter this buy, even on the 1 hour time frame. We had a 1 hour bullish pin bar off this level of structure. Bullish candle closure, and this is where I had entered at extra buy. And I mentioned yesterday's video, we're going to potentially see a descending wedge, and look what we saw. Exactly that. This was a high probability setup, and we had at least 3 opportunities, maybe more, to enter those buys on your AUD. So if you got into this trade, congratulations. It was my favorite setup of the week. We had so many opportunities to buy this pair throughout the entire week. These are the kind of trades that honestly could make someone's month. Look at this entire leg. And now that it's closed above a daily level, we're going to see a lot more upside because we've had that confirmed break and close above. And look where the next level is. It's just under 200 pips. So this entire leg from where we were buying up to that level is a 500 pip trade, guys. From where it is now, it's over 300 pips in profit. Amazing trade. And this happened in less than a week. This is what I'm saying, quality over quantity. Aussie US dollar, just to inversely correlate it to Euro AUD, we did have a large liquidity candle from this 200 EMA and this level of structure, which was always marked here. We are still below this area 4-hour structure. Obviously a lot less momentum to the upside than, say, Euro USD. So Australian dollar is really struggling to continue that bullish move, which is why I guess we have seen such a great move to the upside on Euro Oz. We've had a weaker AUD, which means bullish Euro AUD is going to determine the price action for Euro AUD going forward. And hopefully we will see a bit more of a shove during London, whether we get another little correction. That's what I'll be waiting for. I'm happy to swing this pair, to be honest. I'm not risking anything on it. If we get any lower time frame bullish confirmations, then I might enter some more buys. All depend on what price does in the later sessions, where there is more volume.